Hi everyone, Helen here. Today's winter landscape is surprisingly easy to do and uses gorgeous warm yellows and pinks. I'll go through all the brushes and colours I'm using throughout the video, and I'll also add them to the description below. First, I'm covering the whole canvas with some thinned down white paint. I'm using Liquitex Basics with a little water on my brush. If you have any Retarder or slow dry medium, you can add a couple of drops of that as well, just to keep the paint wetter for longer. So I've got my large flat brush, I've got a little white and a little light pink, and I'm just going to start putting in the sky at the top of the canvas. And because the paint's nice and wet underneath, it's going on really smoothly. Then I've got my Naples yellow, and I'm going to start blending that into the pink and into the white below. It'll probably go a little bit lighter because you've got the white paint, but that's okay. We're just going to get a nice soft blend, and then we can start making the colour more intense. A few diagonal brush strokes up and down will blend it in nicely to the pink. Now I want to make it a little more yellow and a little brighter, so I've got my Naples yellow and cadmium yellow, and I'm going to start adding that a little at a time until it's the right colour yellow that I'm looking for. And then blend everything together. Now I've got my rose pink, a little cadmium yellow, and we can put in a darker pink section at the bottom of the sky. It's time to come in with the light pink again with a little white, and that'll be the water on the bottom section of the canvas. So just bringing that light pink down again, and then we're going to make it very yellow right at the front, so I'm coming straight in with cadmium yellow, and I'm just going to blend everything together and soften those two colours together. Now I've got my ultramarine and a little black, and we're going to make a really nice bluey grey colour. So I've got some white, and I'm adding just a little ultramarine and just a little black until I get a really nice grey blue. A little at a time, and then we'll start putting in some snow in the distance. I'm using a medium filbert brush. You could also use a medium round brush or a flat brush if you prefer. Just a thin line of that snow right at the back. Just to make sure that horizon's nice and level, I'll just double check it using my brush to make sure it's the same height at both sides. We'll add a little bit more as we're coming further towards us. Just dot it around wherever you think it'll look nice. I'm going to put a larger section of snow at this side, which we can put out trees on, so we'll just block all of that out with our bluey grey. Bringing it around. A little section on the right bottom corner as well. And you can play around with the shapes and what you think is going to look nice. just bring this out a little bit further. It's nice and covered. Then I've got my black and a medium round brush, and I'm just going to start marking in where the trees are going to be. Sweeping the brush up. I'm going to put quite a few trees here, so I'll put a few trunks in, tidy them up a little bit. Then I've switched to a liner brush to get those nice fine thin branches, and it's just a case of slowly building up the tree, twirling the liner brush as you're putting in those thin branches. Take your time on this section and just keep building it up until you get a bunch of trees that you're happy with. A few little thin ones at the bottom. Keep the paint nice and thin, little on the brush at a time. And I'll put a few little branches on the right as well. There we go. Now I've got my white with just a tiny amount of cadmium yellow added to it, and we're going to start putting a bit of a misty sun right in the distance. I'm using a firm bristle brush, a medium round one, and I'm just slowly building it up in a circular shape, working my way outwards and making it lighter by adding more white in the middle. Just smooth it all out. We'll put a little bit of that lighter yellow reflecting in the water as well, bringing it down all the way to the bottom. I've gone back to my medium filbert brush, and we can put in those reflections of the black trees in the water just at the front. And we can start putting in a few little shadow areas where the snow is meeting the water on either side, just at the underneath section. Just to define that shape a little bit more around the edges. Then I've got my white paint. I'm using my filbert brush again, but you could also use a medium round brush or a small round brush if you prefer. And we'll just start adding in the lighter areas of snow where the light's hitting it from the side. So the bluey grey snow will be more in shadow, and then we'll put the nice white highlights on the top. The paint's dry underneath, so we can just brush that on the top and get some nice rough edges and effects. You can even put in a few pink and yellow spots here and there to get that nice sunset glow on the top of the snow. Now I've got my liner brush with some white, and we'll start putting a few lines on the surface of the water as if it's frozen in a few places and there's patches of ice here and there. We'll just sweep that along. I've moved to a small round brush, and we can start adding a little more detail on our sun and coming down into the sunlight reflecting on the water. So I've just added a little more white to the yellow, and then I'm just putting that lighter area coming down all the way to the bottom. I've got my cadmium yellow, and I've added a lot of water to it. You could add a little bit of medium if you prefer, So it's very thin, and I'm going to give the outline of the trees that really nice, soft, warm yellow glow to them where the sun's hitting them in the side. Smudge it in a little bit if you need to, and a little bit right at the front of the water as well. And we're all finished. Thanks for painting with me today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I'd love it if you'd hit the like button for me or drop me a comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.